What's up, guys? Yo, you can't say it. Well, I mean,
no, because you were saying it.
Okay, well, go ahead.
What's up, guys?
Welcome back to another video. Thanks for stopping by, guys. We are doing a test taster with different sweets that we got from Walmart, and also
a mukbang.
A mukbang. So I'm doing my mukbang in the midst of this. So what we have here, we actually have waffles, steak and gravy, and eggs. That's what I got a taste for. And we also going to have this is a unicorn magic cake. You guys see that? We also have the chocolate chip explosion. Then we have the rainbow cake.
Oh, I thought it was the same thing. A chocolate cream pie.
And we have French style cheesecake mousse. Yeah, see
banana pudding.
Oh, that ain't just banana pudding. That's Patti LaBelle's banana pudding.
Oh.
Yeah, that's Patti LaBelle.
That's Patti LaBelle banana pudding.
Yeah. So.
Really good. Kind of look. And it's right here. Oh, you just said that, right?
And we have. Oh, you call out the rest of them. Okay. So that's what we got. So it's about to be a very interesting video. Okay. Because it's mixed with this and that and a little bit of this and a little bit of that. So, hope you guys are doing well. Before we forget, make sure that you guys like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel, okay? I don't know what she's doing by the lip motion, but, I mean...
subscribe!
So, basically, make sure you do that and hit that notification bell
so you will be notified.
You will be notified, man. It goes bing, 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 or it goes bzzz, or it goes or whatever. You know, just make sure you hear, okay?
Yeah, to all.
So that way you
That's
know, to know, okay? We appreciate you, okay? We really do. All right, so we're going to go ahead and get started with this. We're going to say our prayer over this, and we're going from there. Dear Heavenly Father, we thank you for this food, the cake, the sweets, the waffle, the egg, the steak and gravy. We ask now that you bless it for the nourishment of our body. If there's anything that's wrong, I ask, Lord, that you take it away, that it will not be any harm to our body. Well, the waffles and the egg, the waffle, egg, and steak and gravy to my body, but the sweets to our body. In Jesus' name we do pray. Amen.
You didn't say bless the hand that prepared it.
Why would I do that? I mean, I'm eating it.
I know, but I made it.
I prepared it.
I did that.
That's what I said.
I didn't do it.
Okay. Can you pick me something to drink for me? Thank you, baby.
No.
She's not eating.
Not that cup.
Let me see.
Mama didn't want to eat. What's that? That's, let me see.
Oh, that's the stuff from the gummy ones. It pop up on your tongue for some reason.
Parent first. Go brush, baby. Go brush.
Go brush your teeth, baby.
You brush your teeth like twice.
Tongue, brush your tongue.
You brush your teeth like twice.
Okay, just go do it again.
Every time I do that, I feel like I'm about to do
It never fails. Every time we get on here.
They always got something to say.
Damn,
always.
So.
More ice.
So guys,
yeah.
Hey, let me tell you
I've
guys
been
let me tell you, for real, I forgot, my bad. These waffles are actually, what's the name of these waffles? Give me that box.
It's in the freezer. Ivan.
That's not him.
It's in the freezer.
I don't know.
Okay. These are organic waffles. Uh-uh.
It's in the door.
Uh-oh.
I don't see him in the door.
Look behind the box.
They're thick.
Oh, okay.
They're organic waffles.
They are power waffles.
775-447. What the world is that?
They're power waffles.
Somebody calling like, I don't know, we'll call it back. Make sure you remember that.
Power waffles.
I know it looked backwards, guys, but power waffles.
Not now.
It's actually called, stop.
Not now.
It's Kodiak. It's by Kodiak.
Oh, 100%
It's
whole
100% whole grain.
protein packed, thick and fluffy power waffles.
So it's got a lot of protein in it.
Mm-hmm.
So
Are they good?
I don't know yet. Did you see me try? What's that? Vanilla.
Tastes like vanilla.
Taste it.
No, I don't.
Go ahead.
But yes, I've been binge watching All American. Do y'all watch that? All American? It's so good.
Leave us a comment down below and let us know if you watch that and tell us what you think about it.
Yeah.
I believe it is really good,
Yes.
but it's beginning to look too scripted. And that's when you go to get like that, you lose me at that point.
Oh, Lord.
That's what she be telling me all the time. Long as it looks, how would you say, somewhat real or even.
Yeah, he don't.
No, I don't want to smoke. Well, I drink that because I done had the drink already.
But,
But yeah,
I think I'm on episode 15. Season 3, episode 15. So yes, it been so good. I would tell it, but I don't want to spoil it. But yeah, it's good. I'm ready to try these cakes.
We can try a cake. We're going to be trying a cake while I'm eating them.
No, I'll wait until you get done. I'll just sit and talk.
Hey, give me a shirt, flavor. That camera lady. Good shot. That's fine. Good. That's our camera lady. She made a mistake and bumped the camera. Thank you. Okay, guys. Look, I am eating. Ain't your mama. Hey, have you guys noticed anything about these bottles now? Ever since that
But they only took her. They only took it off the shirt.
They took it off the box too.
The pancake. What about the bricks? It's still on the bricks.
They took out her picture off everything, and I don't think her family had a problem with it. Her family did not have a problem with it, but they went ahead and changed everything. You guys, let me know down below if they done took it off of you guys as well. I think they, all across the board, they'll take them off.
But yeah, I didn't even know she even made grits.
She have a lot. They sure do. When they went to removing statues and all that kind of stuff, that's when they, But see, this was it's a difference between a statue that stood for bad, even though it's history. I mean, who wants to be reminded of something like that versus something good, Like here in Birmingham, they got over there on one of the parks where they got statues of the dogs, biting at, they letting the dogs loose at, black kids and stuff like that. That's really tough, man. Yeah. I mean, the police officers were sticking the dogs on the, young kids back in at that time. Mm.
Yeah, that's.
Mm.
Whew, that's a lot.
It's sad, man, what those people had to really go through. And that's somewhat kind of what All American was reflecting on as well.
Yeah.
So, y'all see how thick they are? It look like a block.
That look like a block.
And you said you was gonna be talking.
I don't talk much.
You just told them you were gonna be talking.
No, but they probably knew I was just playing anyway. I was like, well, that girl don't really say nothing. I don't really talk much. I'm quiet, and I'm quiet.
What you doing, baby?
You got it off?
Oh, come on.
Mm-hmm. You have to stick the toothbrush way back down. Now baby done ate something, got it on her tongue. She can't get it off.
Boop, 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 boop. Oh.
You don't want to taste the steak and gravy?
No, I'm full. I ate so much today. I was gonna vlog us when we went to the library this morning. Why are you looking all up at the ceiling? Eyes all in the sky.
No, you wasn't on the vlog.
I was. I did. I told the kids, I was like, dang, we could have vlogged this morning. Then we went to the library and left, and we went, to the store. I was like, oh, that could have been a good vlog, but I didn't.
Really?
Huh? Yeah.
You told me y'all you fixed to get off the phone so y'all could record.
No, I said get off the phone so I can post the video. I did not say get off the phone to record.
Yeah. Post the video.
But I don't know. I don't know. It didn't go through some kind of way. Oh, I was watching Tea Time. Girl, you are hilarious. Oh, she's so funny. She is so funny.
Who?
Tea Time. I think she's from California.
Hey, and we do
So
appreciate
funny.
all you guys that's leaving comments on the on our
Yes.
videos. Man, some of you guys are really, I mean,
And the setup be so nice. Oh, I'm not even gonna try to call your name, but I get it wrong. But oh man, the setups be so nice. And then I like how. Well, I'm not even gonna try to pronounce your name, but the interaction with the kids, the whole family be interacting. Oh, I love that. I can just sit up and binge watch our videos all the time.
that's cool. That's good. You can always take something from what somebody else do
Mm-hmm.
and apply it to your life as well. Very important. You know. Woo! Woo, child, I'm full. Woo!
This Auburn Tiger.
Me not had enough. Now I gotta leave enough room for these sweets. You wanna get another?
Woo!
What's the name?
No, another one.
Uh,
Oh, a spoon. Lola, you give me a spoon, please.
That baby worried about her tongue. Daddy gonna get it off. I'm gonna stick two
Don't
cup
hit
way
the thing.
back
Don't
down.
hit the.
Brush.
Okay. Okay, move back.
Okay.
Move back, baby.
Okay, guys.
Hmm. Oh, you got it too? I don't know what y'all would eat.
Yeah, it'll go away. It'll go away. I promise you.
You had it before? No.
Alright, guys. Here we go.
I'll just drink some of your water. Oh, where to start? Where to start? Where to start?
For what, ma'am?
You know that phone number that called you? You called the phone number out.
So?
No.
No, yeah.
Not the whole number.
Oh.
Oh, yeah, no. Okay. Which one you want?
I want to try this patty banana pudding.
Okay, we'll try to pat it banana pudding first. Alright, guys. Here we go. Patty!
Now, patty pies is good now.
Patty pudding, patty pudding, patty pudding.
See, I don't like banana pudding with bananas in it. I don't like the cookies like that. I don't like the cookies either.
I don't even think it got no bananas in it.
Yes, it do.
No, it don't.
That's a banana, ain't it?
No, that's the
Okay, huh?
pudding. You gotta taste that. I gotta have a spoon.
Oh,
You ain't got nothing but the cream.
okay, how you? Hold on. You taste it first.
Oh, go ahead, man.
Uh-huh.
Go ahead.
I-
She's so inconsistent, y'all.
But can I feed you?
Go ahead.
Okay, this too much for me. I was gonna feed you.
Oh, y'all forgive us. Forgive us. Wait, look at it. You got to get, that ain't enough for no taste. You ain't.
Yeah. I don't like.
Okay, next is the Oreo. Can I have some?
How is it?
See, it don't have bananas, but it has a banana filling. You gotta see that. So.
Now let me tell you who makes some good
Yeah,
banana
sure.
pudding. Sharika Embry. Banana pudding on point. Hope banana pudding good. What you want?
We'll go to one of the cakes now. Okay, what do you think about that? How long? Patty LaBelle, what do you give her? You say a yay or nay?
Nay.
Kind of say yes. So
Nah.
we split on that. Split. Okay. Now we have the which one?
Try the magical
Oreo.
unicorn.
No, Oreo.
Okay. We're going with the magical unicorn. Okay.
Magical unicorn. Magic.
And it is, what is it got in it? Swirl cake with layers of edible birthday cake cookie dough. It's got cookie dough in it. It has cookie dough. Don't y'all hit the thing, baby.
Hey.
Okay, it has cookie dough. Let's see what this is. You guys want to get a closer look at this? Yeah, hold on, let me turn it around so you guys can see that.
I don't know. It don't look appealing.
Yeah, see that? What do you think about it?
And I don't really eat sweets like that, so I'm probably gonna say no to a lot of it. But I'm gonna try to give y'all an honest. Ooh, why you looking like that?
No.
Okay, well, I don't want to taste it. Then.
No, you got to taste it now. I mean, it ain't bad, it's just sweet. It's real sweet. Hey, no ma'am, y'all. Don't y'all eat that. That's really sweet.
It is. I eat like a crumb.
That's really sweet. Ooh. Oh, well, you have a sugar rush on that one.
So it look real sweet. Oh no, I am not
Why you
eating
get a
it.
straw?
That smells like seafood.
Oh, man.
No, that's
Okay,
not
guys.
the-
Okay, lady.
Ready to move on to the next one? Okay.
Well, I give that.
I'll say no to that one.
Yeah, no. And that was the
That-
unicorn magic cake.
And that's the unicorn magic cake. And that's
Y'all
from
don't try
Walmart.
that one.
Okay. Patty LaBelle was a yes and a no. So split.
Okay, so I can pick now.
But now, if you like Patty LaBelle, you know, pies and stuff like that, you'll probably like that.
Okay.
The Oreo.
Next, we have the cookies and cream mousse.
Oh, but no one eat
Yeah,
the
see that?
Oreo. No one eat the Oreo,
Cookies
Who
okay?
gonna eat it?
Me.
Oh, God.
I'm gonna get a spoon.
No, don't eat the Oreo.
Don't eat the Oreo.
Okay, wait, Layla.
Don't eat the Oreo.
Okay, girl.
Okay.
Don't eat the Oreo.
She. All right, you guys get a better look.
Oh, look at that diamond. Don't eat the Oreo.
She don't want us to eat the Oreo. Okay. You guys see that?
Don't eat too much either. Feed mama. And mama can feed you. You're gonna feed yourself. Why y'all using the same spoon?
I like
Don't
it.
get the Oreo. Don't get the Oreo. Okay, that's another.
Don't you eat that. Just eat the Oreo cookie off of it.
Oh.
Y'all are not eating that the rest of the
Give
day.
me a piece of that Oreo.
I like it. And especially, I mean, I'm not hungry, but it's really good.
Yeah, I like that one. That one's
So-
pretty good. But I wouldn't buy it again, but it's okay. It's good.
You didn't buy it the first time, but she said no, she wouldn't buy it again. You didn't buy it the first time.
Oh, my goodness.
All right, I say yes to that one. What do you think?
Yes.
I say yes.
All
But
right.
I wouldn't buy it again.
Boom, boop, boop, boom. Got that one in the bank. All right, no more. Put it up.
Okay, we got this chocolate cream pie.
Chocolate cream pie. Next. Next.
Next on the docket.
You know what this remind me of? That pie from Burger King, that Sunday pie.
Oh,
Sunday Funday.
That
I think you like this
oh
one too.
no, I don't think I'm gonna like this.
It's pudding.
I know, I don't even like pudding.
That ain't bad.
I want to try the Oreo.
I'll let you guys see it. See that?
But why
Yeah.
does it look like that?
Now, if you like the chocolate pudding with whipped cream, that's all it is. Chocolate
good.
pudding at the bottom, whipped cream at the top. It's not bad.
Let me
It's
try.
got a crust
Oh,
on
it
the
got
bottom.
a crust too.
It's
So
got a
I didn't
crust.
go that deep.
Can I try?
See, it has a crust at the bottom.
Can I try?
Y'all been eating all that other stuff. No man, put the top on that one.
Oh, but.
No,
We can make a video.
that was the what now?
No.
The chocolate cream pie.
Chocolate cream pie. What'd you say on
Yes.
that? I say yeah.
Yes, that one.
Something.
Ooh, this
That's
cake
a
is
yes.
400
Boom.
Good.
Boom, boom. Yes.
Chocolate cake is next.
That's good.
Okay, this right here is the rainbow cake.
I didn't use that one. I-
Yeah. You can use this
Get
one.
back up. What are y'all doing?
Nuh-uh.
Thomas said he used that.
Okay, what they got to do with y'all?
No.
You said you can use this on what?
Um, I'm afraid this one is going to be about like that other one.
No, I think this one might be good. But guess what? You can't see it.
What is it?
400 calories. Good
Well, the
grief.
rest of them, you didn't look at the calories on those.
Oh, dude, 500.
This one got 430. That one got 560. No wonder it's so sweet.
Exactly.
Look at the
Good
calories on
grief.
this. Let me see that one. All right, guys, this is the
That little magical.
magical one. Look at the calories on that.
Good grief.
It's 560. We're going to post the number up on the screen so you'll know which one we're talking about.
Oh,
Unicorn Magic Cake.
Oh my God.
560 calories.
Don't do that.
Woo!
This one got 280.
Okay.
Well, see, that ain't too
And what's the
bad,
other
but
one?
Good grief.
On
This one
Patty's.
don't have one.
Yes. Oh, here it is.
Patty LaBelle had 210. And
This one had
this one,
280.
how much did this one have?
It's
on it?
100.
It had
510.
510. This.
Good grief.
This one have.
This one.
Child, I can't.
That's probably the words is probably backwards because the way we got the camera turned, so I apologize for that. But it has 510 calories. Oh my goodness.
This one
Jeez.
has 280.
And the little cookies and cream mousse, 280 calories.
Ooh, these some
Ooh, we
calories,
eating
y'all
some
like-
calories. Ooh,
Well, now,
child.
we ain't eating the whole pie, so that's a good
Well, I'm telling you, child.
thing. Good grief.
Ooh,
Because I be
good
trying to
grief.
count my calories. I do 15
All
calories.
right, this one actually has
I do
400 calories.
1,500 calories a day.
Hey y'all better be quiet, Miss Methode, because she would have had a heart attack.
Yeah, Miss McFarland would have had a heart. She'd have fell out the chair. She, ooh, child, that's too many calories for me.
Wait, why is that just like her?
What do you think about that one? You like it? You see, you don't even show the people your cake. You
Oh,
just
sorry.
the
I mean, but you-
icing is about the same as the other one. The other icing.
My turn.
That's not bad.
No, it's not bad.
Oh, it's just a lot of dye. Food coloring everywhere. Don't nobody want to see your tongue?
I'm falling asleep for that. Oh. Okay.
Oh my gosh. Oh my
Okay.
gosh. Oh my gosh.
So we both say yes to that one, right?
Yeah. Mhm.
Okay.
That's the rainbow cake.
Rainbow cake is a yes.
It's a pretty cake.
Tastes good. No.
No.
And we're down to the final two,
two.
which is the
Oh God.
chocolate chip explosion.
Yeah, that might be
Woo! And the
French style cheesecake.
woo. So, which one you want to do first?
Any
You
mango.
can start
Any
out.
mango.
All right, so
Any
if they
minute,
have
minute,
a-
about Texas Tiger Bites, if it
No.
has one of them,
The-
Mom,
the French style cheesecake.
no, I have to do any
You
minute,
better be
minute.
good. You better be good.
All right, French style cheesecake. Let's see what we got.
I went first on the list.
Well, hey, don't be talking about we eating with the same spoon. So what? Be like Lip said, we married.
Hear mouth?
We are actually married.
But here, mouth.
Huh?
Where you doing? My mouth or something.
Oh, no, I can't. All right, here we go. Cheesecake.
See, I love cheesecake.
Y'all want back? Y'all.
I love. Oh, and it got a crust at the bottom.
You got that little lemon kick to
Yeah,
it.
got a lemon zing.
Oh, I don't want to eat that. Never mind, I don't want to eat that. I'm
That's good. I love cheesecake,
That's good.
I'm good.
especially the cheesecake
I can
from the
eat that
Cheesecake
right now.
Factory.
That's good.
Oh yeah, that's good.
It's
And how many
very,
calories? 250 calories.
yeah, it's very light.
That's not bad.
It's very light. Top no.
Oh
So we both say yes to the
yeah, the cheesecake.
cheesecake, French cheesecake from Walmart.
Yeah,
So
now
that-
that's a yes. That's a must have.
That's a good one. That's
Y'all try
real
that one. The French style cheesecake mousse.
good. Okay. Now down to the final,
The finale.
last one. This one is pretty decent. I've had it before, but I forgot. It's been a long time since I had it. So I'm gonna let you guys take a look at this.
That's a lot of chocolate going on.
So let's taste this. When you got 2 and 3 teeth missing on one side and it's getting caught up in every gap and you're having to try to chew some peanut, you have to just push the peanuts to one side to the other until it get caught up in between teeth and crush it.
Oh my goodness.
I'm just joking, y'all.
How the fuck gonna start taking you serious?
I'm just joking. See,
Don't.
I got all my teeth. I like that. I do.
Okay, let me see. I want this little chocolate right here. What?
You gotta eat it all at one time.
I know. I'm just gonna put that chocolate on
The got a touch of the what you call it? The cookie dough.
Mm-hmm.
All right. You didn't even taste the cookie dough.
I got it from right there.
She had taste, y'all. Leave us a comment down below and let me know what you think about her tasting. She did not hardly taste anything. And please let me know about that, okay?
Okay.
Thank you.
I just went to the dentist like
So what do
maybe
you think
2 days
about
ago,
that?
and my teeth still hurt. It's still, but I was just trying to keep from taking pain medicine.
Yeah, you have to.
I would try to endure
stay
the
away
pain.
from that, man. I have to stay away from it.
Yeah, and I've been trying to endure the pain like all day.
Take some ibuprofen. That ibuprofen, man.
I don't want nothing to get caught in it, cause it hurt bad.
So.
But yeah, that was good. I like that.
That's good.
That was good.
So that was the
chocolate chip cake.
explosion.
Yeah, that's a must try.
So how many we got for yes? We got
That
1,
yes,
2,
yes.
3.
What is it? Yes.
We were split on that one, I think. Or did you like that one? Yeah, we did.
Yeah,
we
that
thought.
was a yes.
Yes. Okay. So overall,
Oh, and you
and
liked
Patty
it.
LaBelle, well, we split on that. Well,
Oh, and this was this was a
that
yes.
was a yes. Yes. So overall, what we split on, overall, Walmart actually has some pretty good desserts. Okay.
Yeah.
So if you guys get a chance to check it out, the rainbow cake, the chocolate chip explosion, the French style cheesecake mousse, the chocolate cream pie, and the cookies and cream mousse. So check that out, guys. I can assure you that you probably would like it. Okay? We appreciate you guys for chilling out.